Number 1.4 Children are going to school. Question number 1 Meaning. First, gleam, shining bright. Means something is shining brightly. It may be road or it may be sunshine, whatever it may be. Means the things which are shining brightly. Second, foliages, greeny. In rainy season, some of the places where we can see the greenery types, it called as foliages. Third, muslin, a kind of soft cotton fabric clothes. Different types of clothes are there. In that, muslin is known as a soft cotton fabric. Fourth, breezes, light wind, means not more wind, high winds. It's a light wind which passes like a air. Fifth, melodies, sweet musics. Sixth, luscious, in a great quality, means there are large numbers of qualities of luscious. Now we are moving to answer the following. First, list out 2 paras from the poem that describe nature. Now there are 2 things in the poem which we have to describe to the nature. One is green top branches, and second is lush deep foliages. Second, where are children going? Where children are going? Children are going to school early in the morning. Third, who bows his head in respect for children and when? The sky is bowing his head in respect for children when the morning light spread over the earth, for they are going to school. Fourth, what does the sun do in the morning? The sun take a dip in the river. Just when the early morning sun take a dip from the river and dressed up himself in a golden muslin turban and wait on one side of the road for the children who are going to school, and with a smile on his face. Fifth, how do the breezes sing a song of blessing? The breezes sings a song of blessing through the green top of the branches. When breezes arrive, the trees start shaking. So it is said as a song of blessing for the children who are going to school. Sixth, who stands at the corner of the lane and what does it do? The peepal tree stands at the corner of lane in a lush deep foliage and it waves his hand. The peepal tree, as we know, it gives a shade to the people who are passing from there, where people can stand, sit. So it is standing at the corner of the lane for the children to stand or wait, and to them he is waving his hand as a bye bye. 7. What is the time doing? Time is sitting on an old roof and flying the pigeon in the sky. Means time is sitting on the roof. Means it is keeping on going, and that time only the even pigeons are flying on the sky. Thank you.